Somewhere high above the Mexican desert, invisible to the naked eye, America's secret drone army is on the hunt. It's been going on for more than 20 years. The US government runs one of the most sustained covert drone operations ever, watching cartel bosses through mountains and jungles. MQ-9 Reapers, the same drones used in counterterrorism worldwide, circle above drug labs. The CIA and Homeland Security fly them. The Mexican military requests the surveillance. The footage has led to arrests of the world's most wanted. Joaquin El Chapo Guzman escaped prison in 2001. For years, nobody found him. Then the drones started watching. They tracked his movements across Sinaloa. In 2013, surveillance identified a hidden meeting. By 2014, drone intelligence led Mexican forces to Mazatlan. El Chapo was arrested. He escaped in 2015. The drones went back up, following him until 2016 in Los Mochis. One drone crashed into the Pacific. The evidence was already gathered. By 2023, when cartel leader Ovidio Guzman was cornered near Culiacan, a Reaper fed live video to commanders. Real-time intelligence adjusted military positions. 150 cartel gunmen died, 10 soldiers too. This wasn't surveillance anymore, it was war. But cartels learned fast. They sent members to Ukraine studying FPV drones in combat. They came back with weaponized tactics. They built counter-drone systems, jammers, GPS spoofers. In 2024, cartel drones attacked a prosecutor's office in Tijuana with explosives. They're fighting back. The Trump administration escalated everything. CIA drone flights expanded dramatically, notified to Congress under covert authority. The talk now isn't just surveillance, it's about drone strikes, designating cartels as terrorist organizations. Armed Reapers dropping missiles on drug compounds inside Mexico itself. What started as hidden reconnaissance became something far more dangerous, something unprecedented. The secret drone army isn't so secret anymore.